Yo, what's going on guys? Today in this video I'm going to make a matrix LED light. So without wasting any time, let's do this. I have already designed the enclosure for it, so now we just have to print this out on my 3D printers. Okay, so now we have almost every 3D printed part for the project. So let's head to the electronics work. Here is the all electronics components that we need for it. So let's do the connections, my friend.
Why always me? Like I'm Balotelli. Why always me? Like I'm Balotelli. Telly. Yeah, why always me? Like I'm Balotelli. Why don't you see? Trying to call you Telly. Yeah. People act like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own. I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up at night.
Now our electronics work is almost complete. So let's upload the codes on Arduino board.
And I don't have the time. Every day I go out, every day a new route that you know nothing about now. Why always me? Like I'm Balotelli. Why always me? Like I'm
So now we have to install the LED panel into the enclosure. So let's do this.
Steady on my grind, I've been keeping me on leash. Why nobody see that I'm like Balotelli? Tryna get up on myself and nobody gon' help me. No, yeah. I don't wanna be alone no more. Lately I've been hanging in my condo dorm. You've been hating on me for too long though. I'm just tryna get up on Ballon d'Or. Why always me? Like I'm Balotelli. Why always me? Like I'm Balotelli. Telly. Yeah, why always me? Like I'm Balotelli. Why don't you see? Tryna call.
Okay, our project is complete, so let's power it up and see how it works.
Through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling.